Merry Christmas Eve, y'all. It's been an eventful day. I went ahead and changed my plugs and wires in the truck. I got my tires rotated and a new front tire. Now it's time to change some oil. WorkPro went ahead and they sent me this oil filter remover. So we're gonna go ahead and see how that works. And of course, y'all know I'm going in with my Rotella as usual. And always a Motorcraft filter. So let's get to it. Yeah, make sure y'all check 50 Event South. Keep the bag straight across. Y'all know. Little Miss 50, so it only makes sense. Okay, y'all, the oil filter is in like the most ridiculous place. So I'm doing a lot of twisting and turning trying to get up in there. She's out. I used this to break it loose because it was tight, and then just because it was in an awkward angle, I just used my hand to scoop the rest off. Back inside. And for all the older engines and high mile cars that I get, I always go ahead and put some Lucas in it. I know some of y'all don't like it, but it's okay. It works for me. This little concoction right here is gonna make that thick, sticky oil. So it's gonna lubricate everything. And I know y'all are gonna talk about the buildup and the sludge, but trust me, I change my oil and do my maintenance enough that with all the towing and extra stuff I be doing, they be thanking me.